Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to generate QR code using SwiftUI. Very simple, only with this one function that you can copy paste from description below this video. The first thing you need to do is import core image CI filter built-ins. So this is something that you need to import. The next step is to make a function, name it generate QR code, that takes a parameter of type string, which is text, and returns UI image. The first line is we need to get a QR code generator from CI filter, name it filter. After that, we cast our text to data type using ASCII. And if that doesn't work, if there is some error here, then we just return a UI image with system name xmarkcircle from SF symbols. If that would also not work, then just return empty UI image. However, if the conversion is successful, then the next step is to set a filter message this data. So this data that we passed in here will be the message of the overall QR code. The next step is to make CI image from that filter. So we need to, from that filter, we just want to get output image. If that also wouldn't work, then just again return UI image with some xmarkcircle image default. That's the default one. After that, we make a transform variable with scale x and y definitions. Let scale CI image, so we use this image and call transformed on her and pass in this this previously created transform variable. At the end, we make UI image from that CI image. And the last step is to return UI image with data of this UI image and call PNG data on it. So this is the function that you can copy paste and use it. Also, here is the example how to use it. So this is just some state variable. It's not important in this tutorial. You need to use image in SwiftUI with UI image parameter. Call this function, give it some string, any string you want, you need in your case. Okay, and also what I did on the overall image, I called resizable scale to fit and give it a custom frame to get width and height of 280. And that's basically it for this video. You can also use, you can also delete these 3 lines and use it as a extension function, as a custom modifier with some different values. You can also find that video in the description below. So that's where I explained how to make a custom modifier on image. I will just return this, and that's it for this quick video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next one.